Morpho is a VTOL hybrid of quadcopter and fixed-wing aircraft. It uses a patented control system to monitor wind conditions and to optimize air friction and lift to minimize energy consumption. Each of its morphing wings can pivot independently from the main body, allowing the drone to switch between different flight modes. In quadcopter mode, the wings are folded and close to the body, giving Morpho a high degree of stability and maneuverability. This mode is ideal for tasks such as inspecting power lines or wind turbines, where the drone can fly close to obstacles and enter tight spaces. In fixed-wing mode, the wings are extended out for operation, giving the drone a longer flight time and greater speed. Although Morpho is still in its development stage, it shows great potential for applications like inspection, surveillance, and delivery.